Mentri Rangbah Khubor ukonrat ke Sangma lembar Mentri badai khmi Ikatanat Community and Rural Development C&Rd Aiti Mondal mentakasi arpun riotorik jeliu kilalit Plie padba Ïaka office building Thymmai jangko bhoi rembong C&Rd block perhadian kani kilahiar patsha Umling Plie Ïaka office building jangko Umling C&Rd block Hakajing Plie padba Ïaka Umling C&Rd block laai buram Plie ya uba Rani Maring uwe Kaitor bapau nam nakathemri bhoi bad ubadon ru Ïaka sab banshna ya tiar put tiar tem tenrai bad ubalayo ru Ïaka khusnam atelier award hausnam arhajar arpulai hakani kasngi bala Plie Ïaka building Umling C&Rd block la sakhilang do MLA kanongpo ba Mirabons ba Sostinus Sotun MLA Jirang Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA Umsning ba Charles Marngar MLA Mauhati Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi Abhilash Baranwal, MDC Kanongpo, Kongrona Khamden, ba Eric Kevin Dekar, BDO Umling C&Rd block, lambat kiwe kihe officer. Yakate ka office building jaga Umling C&Rd block latay haka jinglot ka bakot kumba san crore, haka jaka ka badan kumba 8,000 san po square meter, bat kani kade ka project ka bala sateng nadu usnem khat khandai spa prapau, haka bala yo pendap menta hadin sahusan snem.
Thank you for your answer.
Perfect.
Thank you for your gracefully unveiling the flag of our new office building. Your presence and gesture have added immense value to this occasion.
Missed out. There's a connection from one block to the other block. There should be some kind of cover so that exactly. So people can walk.
This is all the blocks same thing. So I have instructed this yesterday also. Sir.
The mud. You need to put some mud also. You need to put some manure also. Yeah, just put it later. No? Otherwise it will not stay. Just give me water.
उसको पहले ही सिखा के रखना चाहिए.
Honorable Chief Minister, sir, as a mark of commitment to environmental sustainability and green governance, we have arranged a small
very big responsibility of our video by Ïaka to take responsibility to see that this building delivers the ideas and the development activities with which it has been conceived. Block is the organization of the government which receives all grievances of the people at the grassroots level, at the GS circle level, at the village level. Any program of the government will be disseminated through these organizations, and also if any grievances of the people are also there, they will be taken to the government, and ultimately the decisions will be taken at the secretariat level. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Chief Minister that he has taken much pains to see that all 46 blocks which have been constructed earlier or which have been inaugurated before the last 10 blocks have been sanctioned, and almost 135.5 crore rupees is being utilized for this purpose. There is another 10 new blocks for which we are expecting to get around 45 crores, that will total almost 180 crore for development of the blocks. So this investment in rural area only shows how much CM is concerned to see that the development and all the benefits reaches to the masses.
Rangbah nong BO bagi HSD berkhatam YouTube minister. Lay te baha usla lay prat te baha trading. Office ka blog Thymmai mentara Plie ka jimpo jimping.
Every long journey starts with a few steps. And it's true even for this particular task. The number may be very big. We need close to 200 crores to complete all the buildings. I told them, let us start with whatever we can. And today, before we knew it, all the blocks today are almost under completion, barring a few of them. I'm sure those also will be completed within this calendar year. Similarly, when we started the schools, the government schools, LP schools, which had not been renovated for the past 30 years, were in completely dilapidated condition. I was given a figure of over 1,500 crores which needs to be spent. And I still remember sitting in that room during that meeting, staring at the screen and trying to digest that number and asking myself, how will I do this? And then the same thought came to my mind. I said, we need to start somewhere. If we don't start, we will never get to our destination. And so we started. And before we know it, in the last 7 years, we have spent over 700 crores to upgrade, renovate, or construct new buildings in different schools, different colleges, higher secondary schools that are run by the government. Similarly, for all the SP offices, all the police stations, there was never any fund for them to improve the infrastructure. We gave money to the SPs, a completely untied fund, allowing them flexibility to do whatever they wish in order to improve the infrastructure. And I'm happy to see, if you go to most of the police stations and see the infrastructure is far better than what it used to be before. Today, over 300 crores worth of infrastructure work is going on in our civil hospitals, different mother and child hospital, different district headquarters, different district hospitals, PHCs, CHCs, sub-centers. So even in that front, almost 300 crores worth of projects to build up the infrastructure is going on. My point being, friends, we realize as a government that if we need to provide proper services to our people, the basic requirement is to have good infrastructure. Without having decent infrastructure, we can't expect our teams to work. I'm drawn back to 2008, when I first became an MLA of Silsila constituency. I went to the Silsila block.